In a smart factory of FAW Group, China's leading automaker, a group of engineers is conquering the technical challenges of engine manufacturing. Engines, the beating heart of a vehicle, require precision and expertise.
我就是不服气，凭什么国外人能干，咱们干不了？
Yan Yongxiu, a senior technician at FAW Group, is a leading member of a research team. At just 36 years old, Yan already boasts 18 national patents. After many setbacks, Yan's team managed to design core parameters all by themselves.
掌握了核心参数，就相当于掌握了精密制造的钥匙。有了它之后呢，就可以根据不同的需要进行机遇调整，来确保加工精度。
The team also contributed to the manufacturing of China's first self-developed V12 engine. They also upgraded the company's 3-axis CNC milling machine to a 4-axis one, achieving integrated machining from multiple angles.
达到同等功能的设备，如果从国外购买，得需要800万左右，而咱们自主改造的这个设备，仅需要90万左右。关键是还节省了时间，方便后期的维修和保养。
The construction of the first automotive works, China's first automotive manufacturing plant and a predecessor of FAW Group, was launched in Changchun in 1953, marking the beginning of the nation's auto industry. Today, this legacy lives on as China's new generation of auto workers assume their roles in automotive innovation, pursuing their dreams and propelling the industry forward.